Okay. The next question I've given you is question number 3, correct? Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes. Now, I told you in order to solve questions, right? First thing we must form the equation. Then we must solve the equation. Then what's the last step? Answer the question. Because sometimes the solution to the equation may not be the answer. Am I right? Okay, all of you take out a pen and start. Let's look at question number 3. Okay, I want you to put your notebook on the table and open it up first to see if your equation is roughly the same as mine. And if it is not the same, what mistake will you make? Do you understand? I'm talking to the class. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's take a look at number 3. Baby is 4 years older than Siti and Yi Hao is 2 years younger than Siti. If the sum of their ages is 47, find their respective ages. Okay? Now, all of you right now, let Siti be X years old, right? How many of you did that? Siti X. Okay, good. It can be A or B, it doesn't matter, okay? Therefore, who's the next person that we want to find? Davy. Davy is what? Is X plus 4 years old. You must establish all this. You don't think that everybody knows what you're talking about. Everybody alright? Now who's the next person now? Yi Hao, right? So, Yi Hao is what? He is what? X minus 2. Very good. X minus 2 years old. Correct? Now, these are the 3 various ages, right? Okay. Now, the question says, the sum of their ages is 47. Find their respective ages. So, what am I supposed to do to these 3 expressions? Sum means what? Plus. Good. So, x plus 4 plus x minus 2 must be 47, right? Correct? Okay. So 1, 2, 3. This is 3x plus 2 will be 47. 3x will be 47 what? Minus 2. Very good. So 3x is 15. Sorry, not 45, right? Correct. So what's x? X is 15. Now, I've completed step 1 and step 2. Can you see it? But have I answered the question? What did they say? Find their what? Sum. Find their respective ages. What is their respective ages? That means Siti is what? Is what? 15 years old, right? What about Davy? 19 years old. Good. What about Yi Hao? 13 years old. So this is what they mean by find their respective ages. Are you all clear? Are you all clear? If you are clear, why are you not copying down? It's on foolscap paper. How many times must I say? Then after that, cannot hang it again. Are we okay here? Yes, huh? Okay. How many of you can form the correct equation on your notebook? Good. So can you see? It's not that difficult. Understand? Okay, now next question that I'm going to. Question number what? 5, right? Is it question number 5? Okay, good. Let's look at question number 5. A travel agency is planning a holiday for a group of people. The agency received quotations from 2 coach companies, Maya Express and Great Holidays. Okay, let's write down the information first. Maya Express. And what? What's the next one?
Great Holidays.
Great Holidays. Now, don't put equal, put an arrow to indicate. Okay? Now, what does Maya Express charge? $15 per person, right? Correct? What about Great Holidays? $12 per person plus what? people going for the holiday? What must I let first? Let the number of people be what? X, right? Okay? Now, I told you already, in the equation, there's no units. Agree or not? Okay. Kevin, any problem? Why are you laughing? You want to go on great holidays? I can send you there. No, then look at the board. Now, if the X people, linear express will cost how much? X times 15, which will be what? 15x. Very good. What about great holidays? I will have 12x plus 84, right? Each person charge $12 plus an extra fee of 84. But the question says this is equal, correct? Correct? Equal. Okay, I want you to solve for me. Hold on, copy down, solve for me, and find what's next. A lot of you solve already, huh? Copy down first. I want to see what's your looking like. Oh, yes? Can you tell me what's the next step first? Okay, but since you want to laugh, come. 15x minus 12x equals to 84. What's the next step? 3x equals to 84. So how to find x? 84 divided by 3. Answer? 28. Now, is it acceptable if the answer is a fraction? Yes, huh? Then the head go, the tail, the body never go lah. Okay, now after I reach this step, that's not all. What did the question ask for? Number of people, right? So you must write, therefore, number of people equals 28. Must always have a conclusion. Are we clear so far? Are we clear so far? Because I have more to go. Okay, just a raise of hand. How many of you can do this one? Can form the equation? Okay. Make sure the equation got no units, huh? Understand? The units must be consistent on both sides. Okay? Alright, next question. Next question is number 7. Okay, let's look at number 7. I have a few more to go, alright? In fact, a lot more to go, but not worry. We will do it one by one because I need to guide you. If not, later you will get all wrong. Okay? Let's look at number 7. When a number x, this question very nice because they only let x with me. Okay? Is multiplied by 4, then subtracted from 68. The result obtained is the same as 3 times the sum of x and 4. Find x. You understand? Okay. When a number x is multiplied by 4, what does it become? 4x. Okay. Then this is where we go make mistake. Then subtracted from 64. Is it 64 minus this or this minus 64? 64 minus this. 68 is it? Is it 68? Okay. The result obtained is the same as what? 3 times the sum of what? X and 4. That means I must take x plus 4, then I times 3. Correct? Now, I just want to ask, is there a difference between this and this?
Yes.
This one is what? 3 times of x, then I plus 4. Understand? Different there is wrong already. Understand? You must look at the question, okay? Now, when I'm going to solve this question 7 up, 68 minus 4x equals to 3x. What's the next step? Plus 12. Very good. Minus 4x minus 3x equals to 12 minus 68. This is negative 7x equals to negative 1. Okay? So x will be negative 56 over negative 7. Answer is 8. Alright, so you see, when you read a question, you must analyze it properly so that you can see what you want to form. Understand? And after that, when you solve, you must be careful in your steps when you solve. Okay? And after that, then you check whether your answer is logical or not. Okay? Then I want to ask a question. They say x is a number, right? Can a number be negative? Yes. Can a number be a fraction? Yes. Unless I say it's an integer. Integer means it must be positive, whole number, or whole number. Understand? Or zero. Okay? Alright, so are we okay until number 7? Are we okay until number 7? Am I too fast? No. Next, let's look at number 8. Now, this one we have a problem. Okay? Because it's quite a bit confusing. That's why I feel. Okay? But don't worry, we will take a look. In a school, the number of boys who play soccer is 3 times those who play badminton. Okay? If 12 boys who play soccer play badminton instead, the number of boys who play each of the sports would be the same. Find the number of boys who play badminton. Okay. Let's take a look now. This is number 8, right? Let the number of boys who play badminton be x. Okay? So, therefore, the number of boys who play soccer will be 3x, right? Agree? Okay. If I ask you a question, which game is more popular? Soccer is more popular, right? Okay, can see. Okay, now that comes the forming of the equation. This one is something that students will make mistake. If 12 boys who play soccer play badminton instead, that means this one I must deduct 12, right? Then this one I must what? Plus 12, right? Okay, then what will happen? Then it will be the same. Okay? That means 3x minus 12 will be equal to x plus 12. Okay? Can see? It's very logical. Can or cannot? Can. Okay, then they say find the number of boys who play badminton. So 3x minus x is 12 plus 12. What's 3x minus x? 2x equals to 24. X equals to 12, right? So therefore, number of boys who play badminton will be 12. The conclusion. Is it clear now? I think it's this part that they confuse people. You minus 12, you must add 12 no. If not, the 12 people don't go where. You understand? You understand what I'm saying? So that is your question number 8. Are you all okay so far? Are you all okay so far? Okay, good. Next one is question number 9. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more questions. Am I right? I have 6 more questions, right? Now, if I can finish it today, of course it's good. If I cannot finish it today, not to worry. I will finish it on Wednesday. Understand? Then I will continue the last section of chapter 5. And then your HBL, you will do the homework for 5C. Will that be alright? Then you don't need to always SLS. Will that be okay? Sometimes I'll do SLS, sometimes I will not do SLS. Will that be okay? Alright, let's look at question number 9 now. A man is 6 times as old as his son. Okay. Let me just show you another way of presenting it. That means if the son is x years old, I can also do like that. Okay, what will be the man? 6x years old, right? You can do like that. Understand? Okay, now, what did the question say? years later for the son? Very good. X plus 20. What about the man? 6x plus 20, right? Correct. He will be what? Look at the question. 2 times, right? Correct. 2 times as old as his son. Now I want to know. 2 here or 2 here? 2 here, right? The man is twice as old as his son. If you put 2 here, the man is very old. You understand? So it's 2 times, like that, right? The man is 2 times as old as his son. Now you can also write this in front and write this at the back. It doesn't matter. Is that okay? Yes? You write like that first, then divide by 2. It's clearer. You want to put x plus 20, this divide by 2. No. Write like that first. It's easier. Don't anyhow divide. Okay? So this is 2x plus 40 equal to 6x plus 20, right? 2x minus 6x is 20 minus 40. What's 2x minus 6x? Negative 4x. Very good. This one? Negative 20. Both negative, I can drop it, right? Actually, so what's my x? X is 5, right? Correct. Okay, now then comes the question. Find the age of the man when his son was born. Now, the son is 5 years old now, right? What's the man's age? Now, 30, right? Correct. What is the age of the man when the son was born? 30 minus 5. Okay, so age of man when son was born. 30 minus 5. Answer 25. Okay? Now, this question is a very good indicator of I must write the answer. Because 5 is not the answer. Can you see it? Okay, we must work out again. Okay? So, are we okay so far? I can have time for about 2 to 3 more questions. Okay? How many are lost already? Are you okay? Because I'm going to collect this piece of work. Okay? Don't try and tell me I don't have. Alright. Now, next question. Number 10. This one is important. I purposely chose this because it's a bit not that usual. Okay? A mooncake with 2 egg yolks costs $2 more than a mooncake with 1 egg yolk. Okay, so I'm going to write down. This is question number 10. Okay. 2 egg yolks and 1 egg yolk. Now, can you see that all of the money there are in dollars? So I'll let it be in dollars. So 1 egg yolk, I'll let it be X. So what about the 2 egg yolks? Dollars what? 2x. $2 more than it. So is it 2x or x plus 2? X plus 2, it's not twice the money, So it's x plus 2. Okay? Everybody okay? Alright, then the question says this. The cost of 6 mooncakes with 2 egg yolks and 5 mooncakes with 1 egg yolk is 13080. Find the cost of a mooncake with 2 egg yolks. Okay. That means 6 times of this, right? This is the 2 egg yolk one, right? Plus 5 times of what? 1 egg yolk. Will give me 130.80. Is this correct? Is this correct? Okay. What do I do? Can who cost an item? What do I do to this? Expand. What do I do? 6x plus 12 plus 5x equals to 130.80. 11x 130.80 minus 12. What is 130.80 minus 12? 118.80. So what is x? 118.80 divided by 11. What's the answer? This one got no sign, sorry. What is it? 10.8. Is this 10.8? Okay, so this is 10.8. X can be 10.8, but when you write the answer, you must be careful. Okay, look at the question, what did they ask for? Find the cost of a mooncake with 2 egg yolks. So, cost will be what? Will be 1080 plus 2. So, answer? 1280. Now, you cannot put 12.8 because money must be to 2 decimal place. So, it must be 12.80. Do you understand here? Yes or no? Now, if at the working, you put 10.8 plus 2, get 12.8, then finally put $12.80 is okay. But you cannot, don't put, you just put like that, cannot. And what's worse, some people will put like that. When got people go and tell other people, hey, this one costs $12, 4/5. You mean the auntie knows what's 4/5, man? Yes. Oh, you understand what I'm talking about? Don't talk nonsense, clear? Okay, Alright. Alright. So that is your stuff over here. Okay. Next one is question mark. 11. Alright, let's look at question 11. Okay. Albert has 12 more 10-cent coins than 20-cent coins. The total value of all his coins is 540. Find the total number of coins he has. This one is a bit tricky, okay? Number 11, right? I let 10 cents coin be x10. Okay? What about 20-cent coins? What will I have? If I have x 10-cent coins, sorry, if I have, wait I think 12 more, okay, I let 20 cent better, okay? If not, you go to minus. I let 20 cent be x, okay? So how many 10-cent coins? X plus x plus 12, right? Okay, now I want to caution you, hello? What if I have given this as x? What will this be? This will be x minus 12. It's still okay, Do you understand what I'm talking about? It's still fine, Do you understand? It's just the way you let it. You get it? Okay? But usually we want to deal with positive and not negative. Alright, that's the problem, okay? So let's take a look at it. Albert has 12 more 10-cent coins and 20-cent coins. The total value of all his coins is 540. Find the total number of coins he has. Okay? Alright, I ask again. Is it okay if I let this? Yes, let it just represent a different thing, that's all. Okay? Alright. If I have one 10-cent coin, that means I have 10 cents. If I have two 10-cent coins, I will have 20 cents, right? Okay? So, this will be 10 times x plus 12, right? The amount, right? Plus 20 times x, right? Correct, plus. Now, do you agree that this one, all of them are in cents? So, can I write 540? No, what must I write here? 540, alright. I told you already, the units must be consistent. Is that clear? Okay, now go to expand. 10x plus 120 plus 20x equals to 540. 30x plus 120 equals to 540. 540 minus 120, right? 30x will be, what's this? Is it 320? Did I make a mistake? Huh? 420, okay. 420. So x will be 420 divided by 30. What's that? 420 divided by 30. Right? Is this correct? Is this 14? Okay. I want to go to the question. What do we want? Total number of coins. Okay. I want you to listen now. That means this guy is 14, right? How about this guy? 14 plus 12. So how much is it? 26. So total number of coins will be 26 plus 14, right? Answer? 40. Are we clear here? Are we clear here? Yes or no class? Yes or no? Yes, huh? Okay. Now, I will do until 11. 12, 13, 14, I will do the next lesson. Okay, Caleb